So hello guys, today I'll explain Leetcode's problem of the day, that is find the number of distinct colors among the balls. So first let's read the problem statement. So you are given an integer limit and 2D queries of size 2n. There are limit plus 1 balls with distinct labels in the range 0, limit. Initially all the balls are uncolored. For every query in queries that is of the form x comma y, uh, mark ball x with the color y. After each query, you need to find the number of distinct colors among the balls. Return an array result of length n, where result of I denotes number of distinct colors. Okay, let's read the example. Okay, so I'll first explain these two test cases and then we will see how to solve this problem. So first test case, let's see how it is. So we are given the limit plus 1 balls. So let's see. So we have limit 4. Let's say, so we will have 5 balls starting from ball 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what does this 2D array queries means is that in the queries array, xth uh, value will denote the number of ball, sorry, the ith ball, and the yth value will say what color does that x ball having. Say uh, first query is 1 comma 4. So first ball has 4 color 4. And what we have to return? We have to return an array where each uh, written an array where each ith position will have how many distinct colors are present till the ith query, right? So here is our answer array. So when we initially traverse the queries array, what we mark the ball 1 with color 4. So after the first query, how many distinct colors we have? 1, right? So let's mark it as 1. Second query is 2 comma 5. Mark the second ball with color 5. Now after the second query, how many distinct colors we have? 4 and 5, right? Mark it. Now third query is 1 comma 3. Now we have already colored ball 1 with color 4. So we will cut it and we will mark it with color 3. Now how many distinct colors we have? We already had 4 and 5, but uh, we recolored the ball 1 with color 3. So now also we have two colors only, two distinct colors only. And when we do the fourth query, that is 3 comma 4, that means third ball will have color 4. So in that case we have three distinct colors, right? So I hope you got that how the output is 1 2 2 3. Now let's now what, like uh, initially comes in our mind is that whether we can use set or whether we can use map. So we will see after second test case like how we can tackle this. So in this case also we have 5 queries and the limit given is 4. So first of all let's draw 5 balls and here we will write our queries, right? First query is 0 comma 1. Let's first name the balls. Okay, sorry. Right. So 0th ball has color 1 and here is our answer array. So after the first query we have one distinct color, that is 1. Now second query is 1 comma 2. First ball will have color 2. We have two distinct colors. Third query is 2 comma 2. Second ball has color 2. But now we have already counted color 2. So in that case, this number will not increase, but it will remain 2 only because we only have two distinct colors, that is 1 and 2. Now fourth query is 3 comma 4. Third ball has color 4. So after this query, we will have three distinct color, that is 1 comma 2 comma 4, right? So we have three distinct colors. And the last query is 4 5, that is fourth ball has color 5. So we have four distinct, right? So we have to written this as correct. So I hope you got the problem statement. Now, before moving on to the solution, I'll request you to pause the video and solve the problem on your own and then come back to the video. So let's start with the approach. So we will start with this test case. So whenever we hear something about finding distinct, so the first thing that comes to our mind is using set, right? So let's try and use set in this case. Set st we will assume. Hmm. So we are given limit 4. So first let's have 5 balls, that is limit plus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now here our set is going to track the number of distinct balls present in the after the ith query, and we will use that, right? So here are our queries as well. So first query is 0 comma 1, that is zeroth ball will have color 1. So after the first query, the value that we have is 1, right? So let's put that in set. After the second, in the second query we have ball 1 has color 2, right? So 2 is also not present in the set, so we will push 2. And to keep the track of our answer, we have to use another array or vector. Like after first query, the set size was 1, right? So our answer is 1. After the second query, the set size is 2, so our answer will be 2. Now in the third query, second ball has color 2, right? We will color the second ball. But and when we go to set to insert that color, 2 is already present in the set. So even if we uh, insert 2 in the set size will remain 2 only, right? So after the third query also, the answer will be 2. Now this is the main query. The query is 1 comma 4, that is the first ball will have color 4. This ball needs to have color 4. Okay, let's update this color 4. But the point here is we are changing the ball 1's color from 2 to 4, right? So how we will know that ball 1 had color 1? So are we going to remove the 2 from the set? If we try to remove the 2 from the set, then ball 2 has also color 2. So that will be wrong, right? So the problem here is we need to keep track of two things, right? Two things. What are two different things? First is we need to keep track of count of color, like which color is used how many times. Like in this case, 2 is used twice before this query comes. If the 2 was used only once, then we could directly remove this from the set, but 2 is used twice, so we can't directly remove this from the set. And the second thing that we need to keep track is which ball is having which color, because then only we will be able to decide whether we are going to update the set or not. So instead of using the set, the more optimum and the more better choice is using map. Obviously, it will be an ordered map, right? So this is the like main approach, and coding this is like, I mean, it's not that difficult, right? So let's code it up. So we will code it now. Queries dot size co and malaria or answer n size, and initially let's fill it with -1. So as I said, we need to use two maps. One is to check the count of color, that is color map, and second to use which ball has which color. So we will write this is used for count for color, and this is used for which ball has which color, right? Now let's write one for loop int I 0 I less than n I plus plus. Right? Now first of all, let's find that in the ith query, what is the ball and what is the its color. So int ball will be queries of I comma 0, and int color will be queries of I comma 1. Correct. Now first we will check if that ball is already colored or not, right? So if ball empty dot count, right, we are checking if the ball is colored or not, and if the ball is colored, it will be in the ball MP map. So what we will do, if that ball is already colored, we will first find its previous color, like what was the color of that ball previously, so that we can change the counter of the color. So we will get that color. It will be in ball MP of ball. What we will do now, we want to remove that color and change the color of the ball. So what we will do, in the first we will decrease the count of that color, right? If in case the color, like the color count gets 0, so what does that mean? That means that we don't need to count that color as the distinct color, right? So what we will do, uh, we will erase the previous color from the color map. So we will first check if previous color of color map is 0. If it is 0, then we need to erase it from map, right? And if the ball is not present in ball map, then it's very easy. We just have to update the map with color, and we have to increment the counter. And yes, we will update our answer array as well with color map dot size. So this looks correct. Yeah, we need to return the array as well. Return answer. Let's see if it works or not. Mhm. So yes, it's the correct solution. Oh, I hope you understood the problem and solution. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.